Dati akala ko the more things I owned, the more successful I look. Pero honestly, mas maraming gamit, mas magulo ang isip. Now I choose to live with less. Less impulsive shopping, less clutter, less things na tinatambak lang sa bahay. And surprisingly, mas gumaan ang buhay ko. Kapag konti lang ang gamit, mas mabilis maglinis, mas tahimik tignan ang space, mas less stress ang utak after a long day. As a busy mom, I realize peace is luxury too. I stopped buying things just because they're trending. I started choosing things that are useful, timeless, and intentional. And instead of spending money on random stuff, I now spend more on experiences, health, and our future. Living with less doesn't mean kulang ka. Sometimes it means you finally know what you truly matters. If you also trying to simplify your life this season, comment less but better.